Hi, I'm Dave Balkan. I'm the CEO of Balkan Sewer and Water Main Service. You know, when it comes to your inside plumbing, there's things that you don't know, and you really shouldn't have to know. Hiring Balkan results in superior materials being used on your house without you having to ask for them. And I'm going to give you 3 specific examples of that. The main control valve that's installed on your water service line when you have work done, it's vitally important. If you're a typical homeowner, you would look at these 2 valves and you would think they're virtually identical. It's the same material, it's the same ratings on the side, but that's far from the truth. This valve actually restricts the flow of water going into your house. It's a 1-inch valve with virtually a 3/4 inch opening. This is the valve that Balkan uses exclusively. It's called the full port opening ball valve. That means it's a 1-inch valve, it has a 1-inch opening, and you get full volume of water, just the way you're supposed to. When you need a larger line, that's called ductile iron. Frequently bends have to be put in. This bend is used by many of our competitors. It weighs 23 pounds. It's thin-walled. It has hard corners that eventually over time can corrode and snap off. This is the superior fitting that Balkan uses. This weighs over twice the amount. This weighs 53 pounds, this weighs 23 pounds. This is thicker walled, this is sturdier, and this is another reason why when we replace your line, we'll give you a 10-year unconditional guarantee. We'll use superior materials that you don't have to ask for. We just do it. Every time we work on your house sewer, we're using Charlotte pipe made in the USA, a superior material. We use Charlotte pipe exclusively. After over 70,000 clients served and almost 70 years in continuous business, we are the team you trust. And we back that up. When we do replacement work, you'll receive a 10-year unconditional guarantee on each and every job. Thank you for watching. I hope that helped you out there.